Now, when I passed HIXX, I will never touch the string. Let's say we do not modify this.
Hmm.
We do not touch the string. Okay,
Hmm.
what you do is, this was original function, but we call a helper function.
Yeah.
In helper, you pass the same string without modifying it anyway.
Hmm.
But you also pass the start index. This is your
Correct.
start index.
Correct.
So this start index allows you to access 0th character.
Correct.
You check char at SI.
Correct.
Char at SI is not X. So it will call helper with remaining string earlier you were passing, but this time I said string is not changing. So you can change this. What will you change? What will you pass?
SA+1.
Yes. So now your goal will be to check one. We did not go with substring approach, right? So you will pass again HIXX, string is not changing. You will go to character 2.
Correct.
Then you will call helper and you will go with HIXX, you will go with character 3, which is the
Correct.
last character, right?
Correct. Correct.
Now, this will also call HIXX with character as, now you will say, I want to check at 4th. Now you
Hmm.
see, this 4 is outside the string.
Yeah.
This index 4 is not part of the string. This is 0, 1, 2, 3.
Correct.
If index is more than, greater than, or equal to length of the string, we would say 0.
Correct.
This
So
approach
that,
is clear.
yeah, this was the approach I wanted to try for the integer I, because I mean, even we don't even need to pass the string, right, Sandeep, here, because all in the helper we do is just pass int I, and then, like,
Absolutely.
when we pass, since it's a global that is static, all we are doing is counting. So then uh, if
Very nice point you have brought up. So what you do is, if you do not pass string again and again, you are saving on stack space, because this local parameter also stays on call stack, right?
correct,
So what we do is, globally we declare a string s. What we do is, we assign s is equal to str.
correct,
Then we say return helper and we pass it 0.
correct,
Because somehow this string should be available to helper also, right?
correct,
So this is another way where you do not want to pass string again and again. Then
correct.
you have to make sure this string is assigned to some variable so that this function can access that variable.
Okay.
Yes. First call the helper where you pass string also, you pass SI also.
Yeah.
No, not void. It should be int.
Yeah, yeah, sorry. So you want me to declare this string globally, Sandeep, or?
No, 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 no. First do helper. I'll tell you. Helper, round bracket, string s, yeah, string s, comma, int si. Okay. We are passing two parameters. We are not using global. Go to the above function, the original function. Just say return return helper str comma 0. Yep. Now let the helper do the work. The
Yeah,
two parameters should be passed always. Yeah.
sure, sure. And I'll start from the start index, Sandeep. So I'll just
Yep.
start from, yeah, we have started with 0, so that's good. Yeah.
Yeah. First put the base case now.
Yeah, yeah. If
No, Kashyap, we are not going to use substring here.
but
Kashyap,
still the no, no,
string will pass as it is. We will not do substring.
got it, got it, yeah. Okay,
So you
so
say,
yeah, yeah, I'll just go with the I'll write the base case later. One, I'll just go with this. If say dot
no, no, if si, okay, go ahead. What you are doing is right. Yeah, go ahead.
is equal to 1 to x, then return plus um yes, comma yes, and that's one.
Hmm.
Okay, and then now the base case will be
Else, what will be
if
else case? Put else
Yeah,
case
yeah,
also.
yeah. I'll write it. Son.
Okay.
If SI is greater than S dot uh, length greater than 0
Equal also. If it is greater than or
or
equal to.
equal. Yeah.
Yeah. And
Mm,
else,
yeah, in the else part, if it is not, sorry, not, just say return per s, comma, s, s, I plus 1. Yeah, that should do it. So basically, if it is greater, we are returning 0. If it is 0, then we'll just keep counting. If it is not, if let us say it is h, it will come here and it will go to h plus 1, which is 0, and return 0. This should do it. Not a stable line 10. Oh, yeah,
you see, it is, you see the thinking. You went in the string left to right. Do you agree?
correct.
But you did not modify the string. Now change the same code to use a global string. Make it s. Yeah. Inside the first function, s is equal to str. Yeah. Now remove that passing from helper. Yeah. Remove it below in the function also.
Yeah.
And from the call
0.
to call we are making,
Yeah, this is also okay.
yes,
This is okay. This is okay.
if s.
Yeah, and just in the yeah.
Right. So this is, if you see the difference between previous and this, previous one, every time we are passing str, it is staying on the call stack, the recursive call stack. So it is using memory. You are using two parameters. So you have reduced the overhead of function call stack.